Hi there, welcome back to Inbound Tutorials. Matt here with an exciting video to explore how you can create valuable content using the inbound marketing methodology, as they provide in-depth information on a particular topic that can attract potential customers. To understand the stages of the buyer's journey and inbound methodology, please refer to our previous videos. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel as we increase our viewership with more inbound marketing content for you. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. How do you create valuable content using the inbound marketing methodology? Inbound marketing has become an increasingly popular approach for businesses looking to attract, engage, and convert their target audience. At the heart of this approach is the creation of valuable content that speaks to the needs and interests of potential customers. Step 1. Identify your target audience. Before creating content, it's crucial to understand who you're creating it for. Identify your target audience by considering factors such as demographics, psychographics, interests, and pain points. You can use tools like buyer personas to create detailed profiles of your ideal customers, including their goals, challenges, and preferences. Step 2. Conduct research. Once you've identified your target audience, conduct research to determine what topics they are interested in and what questions they have. Look at blogs, forums, social media, and other online resources to find out what people in your industry are talking about. You can also conduct surveys or interviews to get more in-depth insights into your audience's needs and interests. Step 3. Choose the right content format. Based on your research, choose the content format that will resonate best with your target audience. This can be blog posts, videos, podcasts, webinars, ebooks, or infographics. Consider the preferences of your audience and the type of information you're presenting. For example, a complex topic might be better suited for a long-form blog post or ebook, while a visual topic might work well as an infographic. Step 4. Create quality content. When creating content, make sure it's valuable, informative, and engaging. Use clear language and provide useful insights and takeaways. Ensure that your content is optimized for search engines by using relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and tags. Follow SEO best practices to increase the chances of your content being discovered by your target audience. Step 5. Promote your content. After creating your content, it's time to promote it. Share your content on social media, email newsletters, and other channels to reach your target audience. Encourage your audience to share and engage with your content by including social sharing buttons and asking for feedback in comments. Use calls to action to drive traffic to your website and encourage conversions. Step 6. Measure your results. Finally, track your content's performance using metrics such as website traffic, engagement rates, lead generation, and conversion rates. Use this data to optimize your content strategy and improve your results over time. Identify which types of content are performing well and adjust your approach accordingly. In conclusion, creating valuable content using the inbound marketing methodology requires a deep understanding of your target audience, careful research, and a commitment to creating high-quality content. By following these steps, you can create content that resonates with your audience, increases engagement, and ultimately drives growth for your business. I hope this video inspires you to utilize your content creation strategy to attract, convert, and retain customers. I am Matt with Optimart Consulting, your premier inbound marketing authority. Like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing and hearing from you in the comments.